Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got my Aliexpress haul. It took forever for everything to make it in here, so I was going to wait until I got everything before I played with it or showed it to you guys. So the first thing I ordered was this 12-piece glitter pot set. This was $5.70 for these, and you guys know how AliExpress works, right? You order and you place one order, but it all comes like bits and pieces to you. I placed my order on October 11th. The glitter pots here arrived on November 10th, so almost a month for these to show up. But they're really, really pretty, and they're numbered, so that way if I use them in a manicure, I can remember what, number they were. And so they've got some really, really pretty colors in here. And I will be playing with them. You guys know I'm all about the playing. So and I've got quite a bit of stuff here, so I'm going to try to bump through real quick. I just want to show y'all what's out there. It has been years since I ordered anything from AliExpress or Born Pretty. And it all happened with that vid stuff, it got hard to get stuff. And so, so we, just kind of stopped buying from everybody because I didn't want my stuff to get, stuck in the Suez Canal or whatever. So those are the glitter pots. Very, very cute. Very, very happy with them. And then I bought a 12-piece set, no, 14-piece set of the color inks. Now these were $16.90 when I bought them, and they also arrived almost a month later. So I did take them and put like a dot on the top of what each color is, because some of them are kind of hard to tell what color, unless you're under real good lighting. Real hard to tell what color they are. So we've got like a blue. There you go, focus. And then like a teal blue. And then they sent a clear. I guess that's just alcohol for whatever. And then there's like a kind of an orangey yellow. And that one, I believe, is like a really dark blue. Very hard to tell. This one actually looks more kind of like a dark red, burgundy. Of course, the dot doesn't look very good on top. And that one's a very dark blue. That one, I don't know what they are. Some of them are just, you're not going to see. And then that's white. That one needs to be shook up. But you got a white for doing like pond mani kind of things. And then we got like a purpley color. And then another blue-green. And that's a green. I can tell that's a green. And then we got like a brown. And then a purple. So, all 14 of those. Oh, and what size are they? They're 7 milliliters. And that's the Soup Wee. And they're calling them Blooming Nail Polish Watercolor Inks. Y'all, they alcohol inks as far as I'm concerned. And that's just all of that. So, that's that. And then, this is what I really went shopping for. Because I've got some chrome powders, but I didn't have, like, a bunch of, like, variety in colors. So, I ordered these. And they all came in their little envelopes with this little zippy. And so, I just put the number on the back of all of them. I made sticky labels so that I would know what they are when I use them and can reference. But let me see how many of theirs were there. 12? Yeah. So there's 12. I love that red one. That's really pretty. And y'all know I'm purpley pinky. And I'm surprised there's not like a real, that's the closest to like pink we've got. So we've got all those. And I don't know if these were $17.11. So I did notice that since the last time I ordered from AliExpress, which was, like I said, a couple of years ago, the prices have definitely gone up. Definitely gone up. So that was that. And then I bought these 2 little cases of, like, flakies. Not like the glitter pots. The glitter pots are these are actual, like, iridescent flakies. And there were just so many different colors. So I bought 2 different packs. So I'd have, like, all my bases covered on anything I would need. Now, those 2 look exactly the same right there. But then this one's got the red and the fuchsia and the rose gold, pinky kind of color. And these are more neon-y. And I like that they come in a little container. But I don't know if you can tell, but they kind of sneak out of the container. They're all on my desk now. So these 2 cases were $6.24. Got 24 colors in there. And these showed up on November 4th. So not quite a month on shipping on those. Pretty close, but not all the way. And then the last thing that I purchased was I got some of these chrome gel pots. And I'm not going to like take the thingy thing off because I'm not ready to play with them just yet. And I don't want to make a mess. But these are 8 mLs. And I got the gold, the silver, and then like the rose gold. I'm really excited about playing with these. So we'll be seeing these here before too long. And then I don't know where these came from, which package, but I believe one of the sellers just threw these in as an extra little flat back, kind of opaly pearlescent gems. So I'll play with those too at some point. So, and the chrome gel pots also arrived on the 4th. And they were $8.69 for all 3 of them. So I thought that was a really good deal. So that is my little AliExpress haul. You know, the waiting is so torturous. Just so torturous when you're waiting on your goodies to arrive from the AliExpress stuff. So that is all of the goodies that I ordered. Let me know down below what you would like to see me play with first, and I'll try to put that on my list and get that taken care of. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.